This indoor fitness exercise bike is both the upright and recumbent type, making it particularly fit for seniors who may have difficulty to getting on and off the bike. It has 2 strong arm resistance bands, 2 height settings for the backrest, a big display monitor, a place to put your phone, is foldable and more. This is a great piece of exercise equipment when space is tight. Amazon's free shipping option can be used for this bike. For more reviews, information, better images, other bikes you can review, details, how to purchase, please use the link shown in the description and comments.